Motorola launched its new affordable E-series phone in some selected global market called Moto E15. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Moto E15 features a tall 6.67-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G81 Extreme chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 2 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Moto E15 sports a single 32-megapixel main camera, with f2.2 aperture. For selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.1 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box under Go Edition. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with Dolby Atmos sound system for better audio experience, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.67 by 75.98 by 8.17 millimeters, and it weighs around 188.8 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. Unfortunately, the company is yet to announce the pricing details of this smartphone, and we expect the phone to be priced around €70, and it will be available for purchase in fresh lavender, misty blue, and denim blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto E15 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.